Throughout history, gold and precious metals have been the ultimate wealth protectors. When markets crash, currencies lose value, and inflation soars, gold remains a reliable store of value. But why should you invest in gold and other precious metals now? If you're looking for a safe way to protect your wealth, hedge against economic uncertainty, and even build long-term profits, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. 1. Why gold and precious metals are more valuable than ever. In a world of rising inflation, financial instability, and stock market volatility, gold has proven to be one of the safest investments. Unlike paper currency, gold holds its value over time. Gold has been valuable for over 5,000 years. Is a hedge against inflation. When the dollar weakens, gold prices rise. Is independent of government control, unlike fiat currencies that can be printed endlessly. Has a global market. Gold is recognized as valuable worldwide. Real-life example. During the 2008 financial crisis, while stocks plummeted, gold prices surged from around $700 to over $1,900 per ounce. Those who had gold in their portfolios protected their wealth while others lost everything. Pro tip. If you're serious about wealth preservation, gold is a must-have in your portfolio. 2. The hidden benefits of precious metals that most investors overlook. While gold is the most well-known precious metal, other metals like silver, platinum, and palladium also offer incredible opportunities. Silver. The underrated investment. More affordable than gold, great for beginners. Essential in tech and industries, used in electronics, solar panels, medical devices. Historically outperforms gold in bull markets. Platinum and palladium, the industrial giants. Used in automobile production, catalytic converters. Limited global supply makes them highly valuable. Demand is rising as industries shift to greener energy solutions. Pro tip. Diversify within metals. A mix of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium can give you exposure to different opportunities. 3. When and how to buy gold and precious metals for maximum profit. Buying gold isn't just about grabbing a few coins and hoping for the best. You need a smart strategy to get the best returns. When to buy gold and silver. During economic uncertainty, prices tend to rise when the economy is shaky. When central banks increase debt printing, inflation erodes cash, making gold stronger. Before market crashes, gold acts as a financial safety net. Where to buy gold and precious metals safely. Government mints and trusted dealers, U.S. Mint, Royal Mint, Perth Mint. Reputable online dealers. JM Bullion, APMEX, Kitco. Gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds, if you prefer not to hold physical gold. Gold mining stocks and mutual funds, investing in companies that produce gold. Pro tip. Avoid buying gold from unverified sources or shady dealers. You could end up with fake metals. Always verify authenticity. 4. The smartest ways to store your gold and metals safely. Unlike stocks and crypto, gold is physical wealth, so you need to store it securely. Best storage options. Home safe, fireproof and hidden, best for small amounts. Bank safe deposit box. Secure but limited access. Professional vaults, best for large holdings, Brinks, Loomis, or private vault services. Pro tip. Never tell too many people you own gold. Privacy is protection. 5. The future of gold. Why it's one of the best investments for 2025 and beyond. Experts predict. Gold prices are expected to rise as inflation continues. Central banks are stockpiling gold, indicating its future importance. Cryptocurrencies remain volatile, making gold an even safer hedge. Many governments and billionaires are increasing their gold holdings, which is a clear signal that gold is here to stay. Pro tip. Don't wait until prices skyrocket. The best time to invest in gold is before a crisis, not during one. Protect your wealth with gold today. If you want to protect your financial future, investing in gold and precious metals is a smart, time-tested strategy. Gold preserves wealth through economic turmoil. Silver, platinum, and palladium offer additional profit opportunities. Buying at the right time and storing properly ensures long-term success. Are you ready to secure your wealth? Start investing in gold and precious metals today. Like and subscribe for more expert financial insights.